Water is an extraordinary substance that forms the foundation of life on our planet. From the majestic oceans to the tiniest droplets, water plays a crucial role in supporting all forms of life. In this article, we will delve into the various aspects of water, exploring its composition, significance for life, impact on human health, conservation efforts, and its crucial role in the environment. So grab a glass of water and join us on this fascinating journey. Water is often referred to as the elixir of life, and for good reason. It is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless liquid that is essential for the existence of life as we know it. Whether it's for drinking, agriculture, or sustaining ecosystems, water is the lifeblood of our planet. The composition of water. At its core, water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, giving it the chemical formula H2O. This simple combination of atoms results in a unique structure with exceptional properties. The arrangement of these atoms allows water to form hydrogen bonds, which give it its liquid state and contribute to its many remarkable qualities. The significance of water for life. Water's ability to dissolve a wide range of substances makes it an excellent solvent, earning it the title of the universal solvent. This property allows water to transport vital nutrients, minerals, and chemicals within living organisms. From the bloodstream to individual cells, water acts as a medium for countless biochemical reactions necessary for life. For organisms, water is indispensable. It serves as a lubricant for joints, regulates body temperature through sweat and evaporation, and aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Water also provides structural support, enabling cells and tissues to maintain their shape and function. Water and human health. Maintaining adequate hydration is crucial for optimal health. Drinking water helps replenish the fluids lost through sweating, urination, and other bodily functions. Staying hydrated ensures the proper functioning of organs, aids digestion, and supports cognitive function. Additionally, water can contribute to weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing calorie intake. Water conservation. While water covers around 70% of the Earth's surface, only a small percentage is fresh water available for human use. It is vital to conserve this precious resource to ensure its availability for future generations. Water conservation involves implementing practices such as reducing water usage, fixing leaks, collecting rainwater, and employing efficient irrigation methods. Sustainable water management is essential to mitigate water scarcity and promote long-term water security. The water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, describes the continuous movement of water on Earth. It involves processes such as evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. The water cycle is a critical natural phenomenon that sustains ecosystems, replenishes water sources, and regulates global climate patterns. Water pollution. Water pollution poses a significant threat to aquatic ecosystems and human health. Various types of pollutants, including chemicals, pathogens, and plastics, find their way into water bodies. These pollutants can have detrimental effects on aquatic life, disrupt ecosystems, and contaminate drinking water sources. Implementing proper waste management systems, improving industrial practices, and raising awareness about the importance of clean water are essential steps to combat water pollution. Water and the environment. Water plays a vital role in supporting diverse ecosystems. It provides habitats for a wide array of plant and animal species, and many organisms rely on water for survival and reproduction. Additionally, water bodies, such as oceans and lakes, influence climate patterns and help regulate temperature on Earth. Protecting and conserving aquatic habitats are crucial for preserving biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Water in agriculture. Agriculture is one of the largest consumers of fresh water globally. Efficient water use in farming is essential to meet the growing demands of food production while minimizing water wastage. Implementing sustainable irrigation practices, such as drip irrigation and precision farming, can significantly reduce water usage. Embracing innovative techniques and technologies, along with education and awareness, will help promote responsible water management in agriculture. The future of water. As the global population continues to grow, the demand for water is increasing. However, water scarcity has become a pressing issue in many regions worldwide. To address this challenge, researchers, engineers, and policymakers are working on innovative solutions and technologies. Desalination, water recycling, and efficient water distribution systems are just a few examples of the ongoing efforts to ensure water sustainability in the future.